Now I desire you to take a look at this. What if you can earn $12 for every single song that you are listening to? I suggest. Is that also possible? How awesome is that? I remember back then when I was in high school, when I remained in college, I was listening to music all the time. The funniest thing is that I was making zero money and I desired to come across some videos similar to this today that you were checking out. Therefore, I can truly make some good money during my free time working from home without even leaving my couch with nothing but just a smartphone. I mean, this is crazy. Today's approaches are absolutely free and it works in pretty much every country on the planet. And you will be surprised what you are about to see in the following 10 minutes. But before we start, welcome to our channel and make sure to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so that whenever we upload a new video, you will be notified. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you have any concerns, questions or opinions about the video, leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. So as usual, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to do this and make sure that you don't skip any part of this video. So step number 1, I desire you to go to google.com right now and enter a keyword playlist push and press on search. And this is what you are visiting. The very first website that pops up on the top, which is Playlist Push Playlist Music Pitching Service. I want you to click that web link now. As well as once you click that link, this is what you are visiting. The website looks exactly like this. As you can see right here, connecting artists to playlist curators. So this is the website that you will make $12 for every single song you are listening to. However, there are a few methods, a few various other different websites that I wish to share with you throughout the entire video. Suppose you have the ability to combine each of them. In that case, you can effectively enhance the multiplier and even 2 times also double, triple your earnings that you are able to make on this single website for absolutely free of cost. So the more ideas, the much more technique you are able to take away from this video and use them, the more cash you can make. Therefore, as a complete beginner, you and I are the playlist curators for today's strategies. I am going to describe to you what it works. Today, I want to show you some statistics as well as numbers on the real website. There are over 970 different curators from throughout the world. They are making real money by listening to music on this platform. They have been featured on lots of large brands names and companies including Medium, Fortune and also plenty of excellent reviews. And that's the reason why I wish to share this opportunity with you in this video. So today, step number 2, I desire you to hover your computer mouse and click this For Curators on the top right hand corner. Click this one. Also, on the following web page of this website, you will see Discover New Music for your playlist. When you scroll down a little bit down bottom, you are visiting this Get Paid to Review the Songs. We pay you to listen and review the song if you like it. We asked you to consider including it in among the playlist and where you can gain $12 for each song. As well as I desire you to imagine one song and you are going to make $12. What happens if you can listen to 10 songs daily? It is about $120 every day by just listening to music, I suggest. Just how amazing is that? You can do a lot of different things. You can plan on for your following holidays with that money. You can settle your bills and spend on your car payment. There are limitless ways that you can spend that money. As well as today, I will show you precisely just how to do this. The very best part I like about this website is that they offer instant payout. Many techniques pay out every month or they have a minimum withdrawal limit. But this website claims if you request a payout at any time, it will pay you directly into your bank account. So it is not some point system that convert or it's not some gift card and the stuff like this. Just some pure PayPal money right into your PayPal account. This cash about these methods required at least 400 followers on either Spotify, Deezer or Apple Music. This is what thought a lot of beginners when they come to this website and see that, hey, I can make so much money by listening to music. But in the future, they claims that, hey, I require to fulfill some criteria, I require to fulfill some requirement before I'm able to make this money. But right now, I'm going to show you the real approach. I will show you why this step-by-step instruction-wise the free website waste of different techniques that you can take action. If you are watching this video and combine them all, you can quickly get 400 followers from scratch from zero, even if you have nothing at all right now. Okay, all you need is simply following me until the end of this video, as well as you will discover every little thing exactly from zero and grow up to 400 followers on Spotify. It is what we are going to be concentrating on today's video, since it is much more easier compared to Deezer or Apple Music. After you got your initial 400 followers on Spotify, that's where you can listening to songs and compare a brief 1 to 2 minutes review or include that music into your existing playlist. Also, this is where you can make $12 over and over. Now, this is not some get-rich-quick approach, but again, if you put in the effort, which I will reveal to you exactly how to do this, you gain those followers. After that, it is some money for you, $12 time and again, unlimited you guys. You just need to click on the sign up button to create an account on playlistpush.com. And also sign up for a totally free Spotify account because you require Spotify account to log into the Playlist Push account. And also, after you get your very first 400 followers, you can review different songs. And for each one of them, you are going to get paid $12 repeatedly, sending it out into your PayPal account every week. So that the first website that I intend to introduce you today, which is Reddit, and also particularly reddit.com/r/Spotify. This is a totally free to join for. As you can see, we are right here over 305,000 members already. And right now, there are 994 people are online and searching on engaging, posting up discussion on this forum. And also, as you can see, there are so many playlists that people share on this forum. For example, ambient space soundcapes. As you can see right here, an additional playlist. Therefore, when you scroll down below, you can see there are numerous playlists. But what they are doing now is that they created a playlist on Spotify. They make a theme, perhaps it's about hip-hop, perhaps it's about caustic, perhaps it's about space soundcapes. So they come up with a playlist and also they copy and share it on Reddit forums. And what they do is that they are going to get so many views, so much impacts, as well as some people on this forum. I mean hundreds and thousands of people. They might discover their post and they might follow them on Spotify. It is just how they get free followers on a very targeted forum, because I indicate every one of the people or the members who join these forums are interested in music. There are very high opportunities for you that they are going to follow your playlist as long as you are placing something good into your playlist. Just add a couple of songs right into that playlist as well as share them on reddit.com/r/Spotify. It is the first approach to get your initial 400 followers quickly. As well as, if you want to sign up for a free account, float your mouse and go on, click on this blue sign up button and they are going to pop up this brand new window. Put in your email address as well as press on next. Put in your password which is created for a free account and you can also begin posting and sharing your playlist on this website. And so right now, let us go on to the second website, which is playlist.net. So on this website, you can generally share as well as post and upload your playlist. On this website, there are many playlists, a lot of music. Every single day, there are many people who love to listen songs are going to come on this website and listen to various playlists. Therefore, with this website, you are going to get a lot of followers as well. So all you need to do is go on as well as click this submit a playlist red button. As soon as you click on that, you are going to see that you have to log in and connected with Spotify to submit your playlist. If you don't have an account, click this red login button. and then pop up this page where you can see login or register. If you are entirely new right here, not a member yet registered with playlist.net, click this register. Then there will appear a new page. As you can see right here, put in your name, your username, your country, your email, your password, and likewise click this red register button. That's all you need to start submitting your playlist of Spotify right here on playlist.net. And they are going to recommend, they are going to promote your playlist. That's truly going to produce so many followers on total autopilot while you are sleeping. I suggest all of these websites and they are pretty simple, quite easy. When you create a free account once, you put up a playlist, go onto this website and share them out, and you are able to produce a lot of followers within a few days, 3 or 4 days. You are able to get 400 followers and from there onwards, you are going to produce $12 repeatedly on playlistpush.com by just reviewing and listening to music. Therefore, lastly, we are going to enter into the third website, which is Soundplate.com. On this website, you can generally promote a Spotify playlist and also you are going to get a lot of followers. All you require to do is go on and click this plus playlist. As you can see right here, click on this one, grow your Spotify or Deezer playlist with our website and free submission system. As well as, once again, this is something extremely similar to playlist.net. Once again, these are all of the 3 techniques that you can combine all together. Number 1, reddit.com. Number 2, playlist.net. And also number 3, soundplate.com. Combine all 3, share your Spotify playlist on these 3 websites and you are able to quickly get your initial 300 followers. Once you achieve that, you require to begin qualifying as a curator on this playlistpush.com and you can begin to do some paid per review, $12 per song, again and again, paid out weekly right into your PayPal account. If you get some value out of this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell. Let us know your opinion about the video in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in some of my following videos.